Hey guys, it's Ralph again. In this video I'm going to show you step by step, real-time, live, how I purchase a gift card at Home Depot. I will physically buy an e-gift card at Home Depot and I will show you step by step how I do it. Because 2 weeks ago I made also a video how I did it, but not real. I explained it, and then afterwards there were some remarks that it doesn't work by someone in Israel, I think, and someone in Europe as well. Don't know the country, but doesn't matter. So, and what I think is maybe there were some misunderstanding with PayPal and with the American street address and so on and so forth. So I will purchase now an e-gift card in this video. And when I purchase it, I will stop the video. I will wait for the email confirmation when the gift card is in my mailbox. Now we will look the time, how long it takes, and then you see it exactly step by step from A to Z. Okay, so let's begin. I go to homedepot.com and then I click on gift cards, and then I click on email an e-gift card. Shop now. Scroll down. I will purchase a $25 e-gift card. I don't print it, I email it. It says here you can print it as well, but I take the normal way. So I email a gift card to myself. That's possible. You can read it in the FAQ. So I mail it to myself. So the recipient name is Ralph, the recipient email address is my email address. Double check that it doesn't go to the wrong address. Okay, that's cool. And then from, I give myself a gift, so it's my name as well. And then it's $25 and it's checkout. Then it sends me to the page from Cashstar, and what I do now is purchase email address. So I'm the buyer as well. It's my email address. Okay. Credit card number I don't need because I will pay with PayPal, and I have the $25 in my US PayPal balance. I've shown you in video 20 how I add another currency in my PayPal account, and it's the US dollar, and I have the money in my balance. What I will do here, I will fill in here my Miami street address as I mentioned it in video number 19. So I will fill in here my name with my Miami street address, and for the telephone number I simply choose 101 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Maybe 10, 10 digits. It has to be, it's fake number, doesn't matter. I will do this now, and then I will come back to you and we'll do the checkout. Alright, so I filled everything in. In address 1 it's the street name, and in address 2 I put the hashtag and then the PO box within the mail forward service that I use. Okay, that's it. So submit order. And then it's pay with PayPal. Log into my PayPal account. From my PayPal balance, $25. That's the email, that's the address from PayPal. You don't have to look at that. So I have my American mail address in the order. Submit. And then it's here, your order, blah blah blah, submit order. And that's the order number, and it's done. And it's now Monday, 26th of June, 20 over 8 p.m. So I will stop the video now. I will wait for my gift card, and then we will see how long it took to deliver the gift card, and I will come back to you yeah, in a few minutes or in a few hours. See you later. Bye bye. All right, back again. It's Monday, 26th of June, 27 minutes past 8 p.m. So it took, what, 7 minutes, something like this. And here's my gift card. Just came into my inbox. Ralph sent you a gift card. Thank you very much to myself. Ralph sent you a gift card. Blah, 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 blah. You view my e-gift card. Click on this. Then he double checks the email, so it's the email, it's the, yeah, my email basically. Go to e-gift card, and here it is. Say thank you, $25 Home Depot gift card from Ralph. That's it. Very simple, very easy. It works for me with an American mail address, with the currency US dollar in my PayPal account. Obviously, I blurred the e-gift card number and the PIN, otherwise you could shop. Yeah, and that's it. So I hope it works for you as well. When you do those steps from video 19, 20, and here 21. Give me a quick message on my Facebook wall if it works, yes or no. And see you back in my next video. My name is Ralph, and bye bye. Yeah, and subscribe to my channel, because there will come more what I think interesting videos which maybe can help you in dropship business. See you next time. My name is Ralph, and bye.